Hello everybody on the Rosie Murphy channel, and happy 2021 to you. It's that time of the year where I'd like to take care of chores that have to be done on an annual basis. And one of the things that I think is important to do is to properly preserve your granite counters, which means not only keeping them clean but also sealing them on occasion so you don't get stains that are virtually impossible to remove. Let's go take a look at a granite countertop that when after it was installed, gonna be honest, I forgot to seal it, and you'll see the result. This is affectionately what I call the Shine Shack out here. It's like a granny unit, and back in 2014 when I remodeled well, not remodeled, but finished this out for the first time, I wanted to have an area which would have a nice sink there with capability to get water, and also a little built-in fridge and nice countertops in case you wanted to put a coffee pot on. But look what happened as a result of not sealing this granite correctly. I really have now what you got to consider basically a permanent stain here. Yeah, it's not too terrible, but from a distance you can certainly see that it was stained. So let's talk about how to prevent that. What I think you need to use is to use a granite sealer. I'm not endorsed, I'm not sponsored by Rock Doctor, but I've found this is a great product to use, Rock Doctor Granite Sealer. And what you basically do is clean your counters thoroughly, let them dry good, then apply the granite sealer. Let it sit in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then taking a paper towel or a cotton cloth to wipe it down, and then let it dry for about a half hour. You know it's sealed when the water beads on top of it. And I've done this for years. And as many of you know on my various channels, I do a lot of baking and a lot of things in the kitchen, slop a lot of oils and things on the counter. And I'll tell you what, I've never had a problem with the seal. Let's take a look. The sealer is applied here. You can see it has a really nice sheen to it, and it's not going to allow any staining whatsoever, which has been great. And like I said, Rock Doctor has been proven to me to do the job. I can't speak of other sealers, but I can say it has done a fantastic job. Seal your granite. You have a big investment in it, and you want to make sure that you maintain it stain-free. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that you derived something out of this little demonstration of the importance of why you need to, at least once a year, that's my schedule, seal your granite counters so they can continue to look great. Thumbs up are appreciated, and as usual, thanks so much for watching.